Get Your Tutors, connecting expert tutors with future leaders.
Hello everyone, welcome to Get Your Tutors math class. In this video, we're going to focus solving linear equations. So let's begin with this example. X plus 4 is equal to 7. How can we solve this linear equation? The goal is here to calculate the value of x. What is x? It's the variable which have a value that we currently don't know. Let's think about the equation. What number added to 4 is equal to 7? When you think about it, you know that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, where x has a value of 3. X is equal to 3. Let's talk about step-by-step process. X is added to 4 is equal to 7. In order to solve this equation, you want to isolate the x, mean keep the x by itself on one side of the equation. The only way to do that, get rid of 4. Form the opposite operation, what you see here. Opposite of addition is subtraction. We need to subtract both the side by 4. Minus 4, minus 4. Whatever you do to the left side, you need to do to the right side as well. Plus 4 and minus 4 add up to 0, so they cancelled. Bring down the x equals 7 minus 4, 3. X is equal to 3. So that's how we solve one-step linear equations. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.